Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today's Friday, May 27th. I'm getting ready to go into a holiday weekend. Volume very light today in the ES. Most markets roll over in gold, and we had crude too. We did have some opportunities in gold today, but I stopped calling trades after this first one. I didn't want anybody to take them because there was some discrepancy with our data, with the charts and the contracts and everything like that. I'll run through what we had, and we'll go from there. First in crude, well, just from left to right, in crude we had a ZL 49.31. That one worked out for about 20 pennies short and a 9.18 candle. That was a nice little winner there. In gold we had a Splay, which I said take 7 ticks and go to entry, which because I said we're in a downtrend, and I want this thing to kind of just keep going up if it's going to go up. And on the other hand, I don't want to go for a break even because I want to make something on the trade. So we got 7 ticks on that. That's it. Market came back down. We started having some data problems right in here, right in this area here. And we actually didn't have this information on our chart. We had a beautiful short here and here, another short here. By the time we got everything kind of back to stabilized, I didn't want anybody to take anything because I wasn't sure that what we were even seeing was accurate. People were giving me different prices. I told everybody we had a long here, but I didn't want anybody to take it because of the situation. I figured we get something in other markets if that was the case. And this in fact, if you look at this chart, it's probably not even accurate to what you guys' chart might see, but we did have a long down at 12.10.5 and 12.10.5, and that was a beautiful. And then we had a power play add on here up to this green candle with the blue dot. We had a small short ZL, so we left some money on the table there just because we didn't take those trades, but they were called in real time and they are method trades. We didn't have to get out of here. I told anybody to just short here. What we would do is short here if we were out of contracts, but if you still had your long, and you still have your long, and it made a little bit more, but that would have been like 2 or 3 winners there on top of the one we had, small one we had. And then in the ES, this thing didn't do anything. I think they were waiting. First of all, there was no volume. Second of all, I think they might have been waiting on Yellen's speech, or talk that she was having. We basically had one trade. It was 2 entries, but we got back in. But it was the same one. It was a power play. Expected it to go 1.5 to 2 points from the 93.50. We got in at 93.50. We added at 150. We got out at break even. And then when it came back down and came back up, we got back in again, and that one worked out for up to 2 points for a winner. So that was all we had. We're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Or I'm sorry, we're going to come back on Tuesday and do it all over again. And we'll see you then. Have a great weekend, guys, and we'll see you back next week.